What's up guys, today we're going to be replacing this old switch. It's got a dimmer and it turns the lights on. But we're going to take this off and replace it with the smart Wi-Fi wall switch, MSS 510. So, quick installation, you're going to need to replace the single pole switch. It's not compatible with a three-way switch, only supports 2.4 gigahertz networks, Google, Apple. This also works with IFFT, if this then that. Let's see what's in the package. This is a 2-pack. They look like little iPhones, don't they? Ooh, I got 2 iPhones. So they look like little receptacles, except they have one power button on and off. This is probably an LED underneath, so that's going to give you the signal strength. Output 15 amps maximum load, that's fine. You have your screws, this is your other one. You have your plates, and then you've got your, and then you've got your 2 sets of wires. Make sure the power is off. The circuit breaker, the walls must be installed and used in accordance with the National Electric non-install wall switch with wet hands. I recommend that you seek a proper electrician to install your item. Never work with live electricity, so make sure you turn off the breakers. So basically we're gonna take this off and then we're gonna see how that works. So we've got 4 wires basically feeding into this. So when you grab your wall switch, at the very bottom here you're gonna note that you have 4 inputs. You have N for neutral, and then you got your hot wire and your hot wire. It did not come with a manual, which I am very surprised. It's just a quick installation guide on how to get this activated with your phone. The way it functions in traditional light switches have the screws on the side. Here you're gonna take these and unscrew them, then you're gonna feed your wire right into that hole, press it as much as you can, and then tighten the screw. Stick it right in that hole like so, as far as it goes, and then tighten that screw at the bottom. In order for this to work, we need to have all 4 of these in here. Now some receptacles may not have a neutral cable within it. A solution for that is to loop one end from here to here and then go from here to your ground, because this is your ground. So we have our hot, your ground, and your neutral. One goes to this, the other goes to here, and then we need to connect our ground to the back screw there. But if you don't have a neutral cable, you need to loop one cable in here and then connect from here to ground. This into that one, and we had an additional wire going from there to the back on the ground. We connected that, and now we take these 2 wires and connect them to hot wires, and that should work. So let's see if we can get that going. I turn the electricity back on. We're going to take our second hot and we're going to connect it. You can see that there is a light right there blinking, and that's how to hook this up. So let's put this all back in.